Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can use ElevenLabs text-to-speech with multiple voices in a very simple way. So first, what is ElevenLabs? It is an AI tool that converts your text into realistic human-like voice. The best part is, you can use different voices in the same project. Now why is this useful? If you are making YouTube videos, storytelling videos, or even educational content, using only one voice can feel a bit boring. But when you use multiple voices, your content becomes more interesting and engaging, just like a real conversation. Let's understand how to use it. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text-to-speech section. Now write your script, but don't write everything together. Divide your script into parts, like Speaker 1 and Speaker 2. After that, select different voices for each part. You will see many voice options, so you can choose according to your content style. Next, generate the audio for each section one by one. Once all your audio clips are ready, you can download them. Finally, combine all the audio files in any video editing app. This will create a complete multi-voice output. Here are some simple tips. Try to keep small pauses between sentences so it sounds natural. Also, test different voices before finalizing, and keep your script simple and clear. So yes, this is how you can easily use ElevenLabs with multiple voices. It's very helpful if you want to improve your content quality without recording your own voice. That's it for today's video.
There are usually
Thanks
a couple
for watching,
ways to approach
and I'll see you in the
something like
next
this.
one.